Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some ILASHX lash extensions. They are in Hollywood. So that's the set right there. It is 10, 12, and 14 millimeters. So let's go ahead and get to applying these. They're actually really pretty, but I can't wait to show you guys what they look like on. So let's get right into this. So you're gonna start off by applying the glue. So I just try to apply it towards the base of my lashes. I will be linking where you can actually purchase these down in the description box below if you guys are interested. They are so beautiful. So I have that on and it's already sticky. So I'm gonna go in with the 14 first. What I do, I kind of push this up a little. Come from underneath. Just like that. So I'm gonna do, let's try, I'm gonna start off with 2 14s and see how that looks. I'm gonna do another 14 because I think it's gonna look pretty. So 3 14s so far. Just like that. And now I'm going to go in with a 12. And now a 10. So that is what this set looks like. Super pretty. And then once I'm done applying, I just go through and I press them down like that. Just so they're really stuck onto my lashes. And that eye is finished, and this is what it looks like. Super pretty. A little blue right there. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, and that is what it looks like with both eyes done. I'm gonna show you from the side what it looks like. So that's from the side. It's on top. That's looking down. So they are super, super pretty. Like, look at this. They're so pretty. I love these. I will be linking everything down in the description box below. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.